We are done with the families of Airbus in the last video. Let us start off with the categories of Airbus in this video. Airbus is an European multinational aerospace corporation which designs, manufactures and sells civil and military aerospace products worldwide and manufactures aircraft in Europe and various countries outside Europe. This company has three main divisions, that is commercial aircraft, defense and space, and helicopters, amongst which the third being the largest in its industry in terms of revenues and turbine helicopter deliveries. Airbus is the world's largest airliner manufacturer. The logos of Airbus Industries display a stylized turbine symbol similar to the jet engine and the font similar to Helvetica Black. The logo colors were reflected in the standard Airbus aircraft uniformly in each period. The European Aeronautic Defence and Space Company logo between 2000 and 2010 combined the logos of a merged companies, that is a German company as a four-ray star and a French company as a curved arrow, after which these elements were removed and a new font with 3D shading was chosen. This font was retained in the logos of Airbus Group during 2014 to 2017 and with further few changes from Airbus Group 2017 to present. Now let us see the commercial, military and cargo specifications in detail. Military aircrafts. The A330 MRTT, it is a military derivative designed as a dual-role air-to-air refueling and transport aircraft. It has a maximum fuel capacity of 111,000 kg without the use of additional fuel tanks, leaving space for 45 kg of additional cargo. The A330 MRTT cabin can be modified to carry up to 380 passengers in a single class configuration, allowing a complete range of configuration from maximized troop transport to complex customization suitable for VIP and guest missions. It can also be configured to perform medical evacuation missions. Up to 330 standard stretchers can be carried. The main deck cargo configuration allows carriage of standard commercial containers and pallets, military ISO and NATO pallets, including seats and containers, and military equipment and other large items are loaded through the cargo doors. The A330 MRTT includes two lower deck cargo compartments, one in the forward and the other at the after, and a bulky area capability. The cargo hold has been modified to be able to transport up to 8 military pallets in addition to civilian unit load devices. Those are ULDs. Now to A400M. The Airbus A400M Atlas is a 4-engine turboprop military transport aircraft. Cargo capacity is expected to double over existing aircraft, both in payload and volume. The range is increased as well. The cargo box is 17.71 meter long, excluding ramp, and 4 meters wide and 3.85 meters high. The maximum payload of 37 metric tons can be carried over 3,700 kilometers. It operates in many configurations including cargo transport, troop transport and medical evacuation. It is intended for use on short, soft landing strips and for long-range cargo transport flights. It is large enough to carry 6 Land Rovers and trailers or 2 light armed vehicles or a dump truck and excavator or a Patriot missile system or a Puma helicopter or a truck and 25-ton trailer. When it comes to CASA C212 Avio car, it is a turboprop powered STOL, that is short takeoff and landing medium cargo aircraft designed and built by CASA in Spain for civil and military use. It has a high mounted wing and a boxy fuselage and a conventional tail. The tricycle undercarriage is non-retractable. It has space for 21 to 28 passengers depending on configuration. Since it does not have a pressurized fuselage, it is limited to relatively low flight level airline usage, that is below 10,000 feet. It is thus an ideal for short range and a regional airline services. The CASA IPTNC N235. It is a medium-ranged twin-engined transport aircraft that was jointly developed by the CASA of Spain and Indonesian manufacturer IPTN as a regional airliner and a military transport. Its primary military role includes maritime patrol, surveillance and air transport. It has primary space for 51 passengers or 35 paratroops or 18 stretchers or 6,000 kg extra payload. The last one is the EADS CASA C295. This Airbus aircraft is a twin-engined, medium-range, multi-purpose transport aircraft that boosts short takeoff and landing capability and a strong landing gear and makes it able to operate even in stern locations. It is also designed to support low-level flights for tactical missions. It has a longest cabin which can accommodate 73 troops or 48 paratroops or 12 stretchers during medical evacuation or 27 stretchers during again medical evacuation with 4 medical attendants. Now moving on to the cargo aircrafts, Beluga XL, sized at 7 meters long and 1 meter wider than Beluga ST. The Beluga XL provides 30% extra transport capacity. As an example, a Beluga XL can accommodate 2 A350 jetliners wings compared to 1 in Beluga ST. With a maximum payload of 55 tons, it has a range of 4,000 kilometers. It is operated by 2 pilots taking advantage of a modern A330 cockpit. It has a length of 63.1 meters, height of 18.9 meters, fuselage diameter of 8.8 meters and a wingspan of 60.3 meters. The next one is the Beluga ST. It delivers a high level of customer satisfaction with loading, unloading and delivery designed to be fast, safe, flexible and reliable. It is a semi-automated main deck cargo loading system, ensures easy and efficient handling of payloads. It retains the same flight deck that is in worldwide operation on Airbus A300, 600S and A310S. It has a length of 56.16 meter, height of 17.25 meters, fuselage diameter of 7.7 meters and a wingspan of 44.84 meters, which is slightly less compared to Beluga XL. A330 P2F. P2F stands for Passenger to Freighter. It is a modern jetliner with advanced Airbus technology that includes fly-by-wire flight controls. The A330-300 wide body offers a highly capable platform for conversion into a freighter. It is optimized for higher density freight and a long range performance. It can carry over 62 to 61 tons over 7,870 kilometers. It has a length of 63.66 meter, height of 16.79 meters, fuselage diameter of 5.64 meters and a wingspan of 60.3, which is again slightly more compared to Beluga XL. Final cargo aircraft is A330-200F. The A330-200F is an all-cargo derivative of A330-200 capable of carrying 65 ton over 7,400 kilometers or 70 tons up to 5,900 kilometers. It uses a revised nose undercarriage layout to provide a level deck during cargo loading. It has a length of 58.82 meters, height of 17.39 meters, fuselage diameter of 5.64 meter and a wingspan of 60.3. Now let us see the specifications of A300 and A310 in the next video.